Starting with something that could change the way you interact with AI. Imagine being able to track every move you make on an AI platform, seeing exactly how much you have used, when, and how it refills automatically. Sounds intriguing, right? That's exactly what's happening with Caffeine AI in its alpha phase, and let's see what's happening.
Credit balance display launched. Track usage instantly. Automatic refill during alpha. Transparency and user control. Alpha users explore and feedback.
Caffeine AI has rolled out a new feature for its alpha users, that is, a credit balance display. This addition is aimed at enhancing the user experience and providing greater transparency during the platform's alpha phase. Starting this week, users will be able to monitor their credit balance directly on the platform. This might sound like a small tweak, but for anyone using AI services extensively, knowing exactly how much usage you have left is crucial. It allows for better planning of interactions and ensures that no surprises occur when credits run low. For current alpha users, the update also brings an automatic refill of credits throughout the remainder of the alpha phase. So there is no interruption to your experience. You can continue exploring, testing, and interacting with Caffeine AI as usual. The broader purpose of this feature goes beyond just displaying numbers. It's about transparency and user empowerment. As the platform transitions toward general availability, these updates are intended to make the shift smooth and ensure users feel in control of their experience. The Caffeine AI team has indicated that more information on the credit system will be shared in the coming weeks. This is part of their commitment to keeping the community informed and ensuring that features evolve in a way that aligns with real user needs. For anyone who is part of the alpha, now it's a great time to explore the platform and provide feedback before it opens up more broadly.
World Cloud simplifies web hosting. No servers, just code. GitHub integration and auto workflows. Decentralized and transparent hosting. Easy login and flexible deployments.
Moving on to developers and website hosting, a new project called World Cloud is looking to simplify how websites are deployed on the internet computer. Founded by Giorgio, World Cloud is a managed decentralized cloud hosting platform that aims to bridge traditional DevOps practices with blockchain infrastructure. In practice, this means that developers and small businesses no longer need to worry about managing physical servers or complex infrastructure layers. They can connect their GitHub repositories, build projects, and publish directly on the blockchain. The system automatically detects key configurations, generates workflows, and handles the deployment, freeing developers to focus on their code rather than hardware. Giorgio has been building on the internet computer for a few years, and his goal with World Cloud is to make decentralized hosting accessible, reliable, and efficient. The platform is especially aimed at front-end applications, providing clear visibility of builds, usage statistics, and domain management. One of the unique aspects of World Cloud is its reliance on the internet computer's existing node network instead of physical servers or data centers. This decentralized approach offers transparency, resilience, and independence from centralized hosting providers like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. While these tech giants dominate the cloud market, which generates tens of billions in revenue annually, World Cloud is carving out a niche for blockchain-based alternatives. From a user perspective, the process starts with logging in through internet identity, which now includes social login options. Developers can choose a subscription plan, connect their GitHub repositories, and deploy projects in a matter of clicks. Each deployment comes with a domain, deployment history, and the flexibility to redeploy whenever necessary. The question now is whether developers and businesses are ready to embrace decentralized hosting on a wider scale. It's an exciting development that blends convenience with blockchain's principles of transparency and independence. For those curious, World Cloud is live at World Cloud app, where you can try it out and see how your projects could run in a decentralized environment. Next up, we are looking at activity on Plug Wallet over the past week. Data reveals a clear snapshot of what users were trading most. Leading the charts was Bob, a token connected to the fund ecosystem, followed by MOTOKO, Jupiter, GOLDDAO, and OPENCHAT. Bob's strong showing reflects the ongoing engagement of community members with a fun ecosystem. MOTOKO's second place position suggests that NFT and gaming focused investors are increasingly active. Jupiter, the native token of the exchange itself, maintained attention, highlighting the appeal of DeFi trading tools. GOLDDAO, associated with decentralized finance governance and tokenized assets, recorded steady activity, signaling interest in long term governance participation. Finally, OpenChat rounds out the top 5, showing that Web3 communication tools are also capturing user attention. This kind of trading activity gives insight into user preferences and highlights the sectors that are trending within the Plug Wallet ecosystem. While these patterns don't predict long term investment trends, they do offer a clear window into community engagement and what projects are capturing attention right now.
MOTOKO DAO adds $clown. Conservative allocation 1.5%. Due diligence completed. Community feedback matters.
Next up, Taco DAO has recently announced a new addition to its portfolio, that is Clown. The token is currently allocated at a conservative 1.5%, reflecting a measured approach to portfolio management. The addition of Clown came after thorough due diligence, with the Clown team actively engaging with Taco DAO's report and providing detailed feedback. Community participation also played a key role, with discussions and questions helping shape the decision. Members of Taco DAO have expressed optimism about this modest allocation, noting that even a small investment, when backed by strong research and community involvement, can be valuable over time. Transparency is a core element of this process. The DAO shared the due diligence report publicly and invited feedback from the wider community. For the Clown team, being included in Taco DAO's portfolio represents recognition and trust. Their willingness to engage directly with both the DAO and the community shows our commitment to transparency and collaboration were two factors that are increasingly important for project credibility in decentralized finance. While the allocation is small, the careful steps taken by Taco DAO illustrate how decentralized organizations are balancing risk management with community driven decision making. It's a methodical approach, prioritizing informed engagement rather than impulsive moves, and it could serve as a model for other DAOs looking to make thoughtful investments. Finally, we have an update from the Internet Computer Protocol itself. Over the past week, ICP tokens staked on the network nervous system have risen by 4.7 million. This increase signals growing long-term investor confidence, particularly among larger holders or whales who are locking their tokens for 6 to 12 months. Staking ICP on the NNS involves locking tokens into neurons that participate in network governance. In return, stakers earn rewards based on both the amount of ICP locked and the duration. Longer lock-in periods yield higher rewards, creating incentives for substantial investors to commit their tokens to governance and long-term network stability. The recent surge indicates that major investors see the Internet Computer as a promising long-term project. By participating in governance while earning staking rewards, these investors contribute to the network's health and decision-making process. However, there is also a market implication. With more ICP tokens locked in staking, liquidity decreases, which could affect price volatility. Investors and traders should be aware of this dynamic as it influences how tokens move in the open market. Overall, the rise in staked ICP highlights a trend toward long-term commitment in the ecosystem. It shows that confidence in the Internet Computer is growing and that substantial investors are actively participating in shaping the network's future. Balancing governance involvement with market liquidity will remain an important consideration as the ecosystem evolves. Looking across all these updates, from Caffeine AI's user-focused features to World Cloud's decentralized hosting, Plug Wallet trading trends, Taco DAO's careful portfolio move, and ICP staking surges, it's clear that the Internet Computer ecosystem is maturing rapidly. Communities, developers, and investors are engaging in increasingly sophisticated ways, creating opportunities for both innovation and long-term value creation. Whether you are testing AI platforms, deploying decentralized applications, or participating in governance and trading, now it's an exciting time to be part of the ICT community. If you have enjoyed this overview, remember that supporting projects and communities through engagement, testing new platforms, and even small contributions can make a big difference. Donations and tips are always appreciated. Wallet details are in the description below. You can also check out project links for Caffeine AI, World Cloud, and more. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow Ledger Live for your regular updates on internet computer projects, Web3 tools, and community activity. There is always something new happening, and we'll keep bringing it straight to you.